Climate change is starting to be a well-understood issue, while a less perceptible major ocean threat is being overlooked to this day. Dubbed the other CO2 problem, ocean acidification is a direct consequence of rising atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. The ocean is capable of absorbing the extra CO2, preserving the atmosphere, while also destabilizing the biogeochemistry of ocean water. This results in an overall decrease of free carbonate ions and an increase of hydrogen ions. Carbonate ions are essential building blocks for calcification to occur, and so their decrease will directly impact the survival of calcifying organisms. These organisms include coral reefs, who are considered as hotspots of biodiversity and are essential ecosystems for our society. Ocean acidification is already impacting marine life in many ways, and in order to reduce its effects, actions need to be taken now, one being education. Kai is a non-profit organization promoting the importance of marine life and its preservation. Their activities include workshops, photography exhibitions using their incredible sea creature portraits, and conferences. Their goal is to provide a link between scientists and anyone interested in the majestic and endangered marine world. And this is where I come in. Hi, I'm Anna, a first-year student in the MSc Maras program in the Université Côte d'Azur. For the last 4 months, I have been pursuing an M1 internship in the Kai nonprofit. The name of this immersion project is Developing Innovative Communication Strategies for Environmental Awareness. And over the course of the project, I have learned how nonprofit organizations function. I've participated in awareness workshops and studied the strengths and limitations of nowadays science communication tools. The Kai Acid Reefs Immersion Project was established in collaboration with the CRIOG, based in Moorea, French Polynesia. It began with the Acid Reefs Project, aiming to understand the responses of coral reef ecosystems to ocean acidification. Included were 7 laboratories around the world, and Kai was mandated to develop communication tools. They developed and distributed a survey testing the perception of the French population regarding coral reef threats, including concepts of ocean acidification. The survey was set up in 4 assessments: knowledge, perception, connectedness, and willingness, and was filled out by 1,025 respondents representative of the whole French population. While the development of specific communication content was the first part of my internship, the second included a huge focus into the data analysis of the last assessment of the survey, the willingness. And let me tell you, I've discovered a lot. So willingness was used to investigate the public's involvement in acting for change. This assessment comprised the classification of actions as mandatory to alleviate coral reef threats and/or acceptable in terms of the respondents' willingness to apply the measure. Here is a table showing the initial classification of presented actions by percentage of respondents. The following analysis was set up to answer the question, how personal characteristics influenced the classification. Here is an example shown for age, with 5 significant links in classification, established with a chi-square analysis. You would like to know more about this fascinating project? Come give us a visit. The data is immense and we love to discuss it.